the ultimate guide to understanding OEM versus aftermarket parts. OEM versus aftermarket confused? You're not the only one. Whether you're replacing a blown engine, fixing your transmission, or just trying to get the right part without getting ripped off, this video is for you. Welcome to Beeline's Automotive, where saving money on used parts never means sacrificing quality. Before we jump in, do us a quick favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our car care tips and budget saving secrets. Let's get right into it. Here's what you need to know fast, simple, and without the fluff. OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer. It means the part was made by the same company that built your car. So when you get an OEM part, you're getting the exact same fit, material, and function your vehicle came with from the factory. Aftermarket parts are made by third-party companies. They're designed to work with your car, sometimes even better than OEM, but they vary in quality and fit. Some are amazing. Some not so much. Price check, which costs less? Here's the truth, OEM parts are usually pricier. But here's the kicker, when you get a used OEM part from Beeline's Automotive, you get that factory-grade quality without the dealership price tag. Win-win. Used parts that make sense. Let's say you need a used engine or transmission. Should you go OEM or aftermarket? Our advice, go OEM used. Why? Because it's built specifically for your vehicle, and when it comes from Beeline's, it's tested, inspected, and backed by real-world performance. Pros cons in a nutshell. OEM means exact match, but higher cost. Aftermarket means lower cost, but variable quality. Used OEM from us? Sweet spot. Right fit, right price, right now. Question for you, have you ever had an aftermarket part not fit right? Or maybe saved big with a used OEM part? Tell us in the comments, your story might help someone else avoid a headache. And hey, if this is helping, click that subscribe button so we can keep delivering content that saves you time, stress, and cash. Still not sure which part's right for your ride? No worries, our team at Beeline's Automotive is here to help you every step of the way. Whether you need a used engine, transmission, or any OEM part, we've got you covered with parts that are tested, trusted, and ready to ship. You can give us a call at 1-888-752-4286, visit us online at beelinesautomotive.com, or email us directly at info@beelinesautomotive.com. Let's get your car back on the road smarter, faster, and cheaper.